Hello guys, today we'll talk about a new phone. This phone is Redmi K50 Ultra with fast charger, powerful processor for gaming. But before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body. The body measures 163.1 by 75.9 by 8.6 mm and the phone weighs 202 gram. Number 2. The screen. The screen here is OLED display, 68 million color with size of 6.67 inches and a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 86.7% screen to body ratio, and come with refresh rate 144 Hz HDR10 plus Dolby Vision, no lag in phone experience, and brightness reach to 1100 nits. Number 3. The processor. It is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Extreme Reach to HDR, and same thing as in a game Call of Duty and other games with best games experience. And the stereo speakers here are described as sounding quite pleasant, clear, and loud. The phone front-facing camera with 20 megapixel, 3 rear-facing cameras with 108 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide and 2 megapixel macro. Take beautiful pictures by this camera and record video 4K 60 frames per second, but in the front camera 1080 120 frames per second. Battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh with charger 120W, charge 100% in 20 minutes only. The price of Redmi K50 Ultra phone is $440. You will find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.